So hello everyone. Thank you. First of all, thank you for the support you shown for my app. So this is a basic demo video. It is for how to transfer, how to connect, and how can you install and watch videos and see PDF. So this is my TicWatch Pro 5. So I will open my app. So if you start the connection, you have to first disable the Bluetooth. Okay, so because of the Wear OS limitations, you have to disable the Bluetooth so it can use the Wi-Fi in uninterruptedly, so you can transfer your files flawlessly. So I have used my OnePlus 60 to provide me a hotspot, so I have connected to it. Now I will start the file server. So it will show you the IP address over here. So I will come into my phone. I will go to the browser and type that URL, the IP address 10.115.4.178. You have to use this symbol, and after that you have to type the port number and click on go. So as you can see, the web UI of my server is shown here. So you have to choose your files. So I will tap on the choose, go into the photos and videos. Now you can see the APK files and the video file. Now I will transfer it one by one. So I first of all I will share a watch face and click on the upload. It gets transferred as it has a small size. So now I have added a Google APK. It is having 203 massive size, so it will take transfer. So for to uninterrupted transfer, that I have shown you the method to turn off the Bluetooth first, and then you have to turn on your Wi-Fi. So I will choose the Google file. It is size of 203 MBs. So I will click on the upload. It will take some time. So after that means 8 MBs. Yes, as you can see, the file is transferred successfully. So I will go back and I will share one more APK. It is my app developed for the TicWatch Pro 5. It is for temperature measurement, so I will upload that as well. Okay, as you can see, the file is of small size, so it transferred fastly. Now I will choose a video, a sample video for you. So you can just tap and upload it. So as we can see, it is also transferred very fastly. So we will come into the watch now. So I will stop the server now. So go into the downloads folder. You can see all the transferred files. We have transferred all the files. So I will you can now you can just install your APKs by only simply tapping on that. It's like simple as you can do like a phone. So as you can see, it is installed very fastly. Now the bigger APK means the Google APK. So we can install it by just tapping. So as this is one of the huge file, it will take time. So click on install. Now I will pause the video, and so because of it will take more time. So I will pause the video and we will get back soon. So as you can see, the file is installed. Now we will see the next files. I will go into the downloads again. I have transferred the PDF files and text files for the demo purpose. So this is the PDF file. I have added two navigations button to change page, and zoom in, zoom out controls to see your files. This is the page navigator. And the second file is for the text as well. You can read your notes transferred to the watch easily. And I have transferred some demo videos for you, so you can see. You can transfer your music files as well, images as well. And I have implemented the new two operations like cut and copy. You can cut any file, means move your APK into your favorite or your documents. You can easily move that into your favorite locations. So I have cut moved the files into the documents and just click on paste. As you can see, the files have been moved successfully. As you can do copy as well of that files. So these are the new implementations I am working with, and this is my debug app. So you will get the update very soon. Thank you.